Welcome back everybody. New week, new donation. I'm CryptoPhil and I'm spending my crypto money to helping the poor people in India, Africa and Philippines. Now this time we're going back in India. Now thank you so much for everybody who is helping me, and thank you for the person who is doing this video. Without you, I will not do this video. Also, very important, make sure you understand that it's not how much you have, but what you do with what you have. I'm so proud to go into this journey. Look what I'm doing. We helped this time over 50 children in India. Look, this is the teacher what I'm sponsoring every single month. She's teaching these kids every single day for 4 or 5 days a week, and that's amazing. This is something what I'm the most proud of myself, and I'm helping so many people. Do something about that. Thank you so much. Watch the video.
Thank you, Phil, for making kids happy. So we are in the market buying stuff for the kids. Now we are heading towards the kids' place. So we have reached here. So these are the kids here, and this is the teacher hired by Phil, who is teaching regularly to all the kids. And this is the stuff sponsored by Phil. So these are eggs, these are milk packets, these are glucose biscuits, these are crayons colors, these are snacks, chips, and some fruits, bananas. So now the teacher is distributing sheets to every kid who is going to draw their creativity today. After this, we are distributing these colors to each individual. Thank you, Phil, for creating such a positive difference amongst this community. This is the place here, how they live. Most of the kids are engaged into begging and all, and we are trying our best to bring them into mainstream by empowering through education. Now distributing milk packets to each of them. Now it's time to distribute some fruits. Now distributing eggs, as protein is quite important for the growing kids. So overall it was a nice day with the kids. Now it's time to leave. Thank you, Phil, for all your love and support. Bye.